Hey everyone, welcome to English with Tom and Anna.
Yes, this is the place where we make learning English simple.
And we don't do boring lessons.
And we definitely don't take things too seriously.
Exactly. So if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, click that subscribe button so you don't miss future lessons.
All right, let's introduce ourselves quickly.
I'm Tom, and I make mistakes so you don't have to.
And I'm Anna, and I fix Tom's mistakes. Most of the time.
Most of the time?
Okay, fine. Always.
That's better.
So today's topic is one of the most common problems in English.
Make, do, and take.
These three verbs are everywhere.
And they are very confusing.
But don't worry, we're going to explain them in a very simple, natural way.
With real-life examples.
And a lot of practice.
So by the end of this lesson,
You'll feel much more confident using make, do, and take.
all right, Anna, let's start simple.
Good idea.
What's the basic difference between make and do?
Okay, here's a simple rule.
I'm ready.
We usually use make when we create something.
Create. Okay.
And we use do for actions, tasks, or activities.
That sounds simple, but I feel like it'll get complicated soon.
It will, but let's go step by step.
Give me examples.
Sure. Make a cake.
You create a cake. Got it.
Make a plan.
You create a plan.
Exactly.
Okay, now do.
Do homework.
That's an activity.
Yes.
Do exercise.
Perfect.
Wait, do exercise or do exercises?
Both are possible, but do exercise is more general and do exercises is more specific.
Oh, wow. Already learning something new.
See, your brain is working.
I'm doing brain exercise right now.
Nice, that's correct.
Wait, not making brain exercise?
No, please don't make that mistake again.
Okay.
Let's try a quick practice.
I'm ready.
I say a sentence and you choose make or do.
This is dangerous, but let's try.
Make your bed.
Make your bed?
Yes, good job.
Yes, I made a correct answer.
Careful.
Oh no, what did I do wrong?
You should say, I gave a correct answer or I got it right.
So many rules.
Don't worry, you'll get used to them.
Okay, next one.
I should say, do your homework.
Do your homework.
Perfect.
Easy.
Make a decision.
Make a decision.
Yes.
I'm on fire today.
Let's see. Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Correct.
This is actually fun.
See, I told you.
But I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why do we say make money and not do money?
Ah, good question.
I knew I would find something confusing.
Make money means to create or earn money.
So it's like producing something.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, let's talk about take.
Finally, I was waiting for take.
Take is used in many situations, but a simple idea is this.
I'm listening.
We use take when we receive something or move something from one place to another.
Examples, please.
Take a seat.
Sit down.
Yes.
Take a break.
Stop working and relax.
I like that one.
Take a photo.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, we don't say make a photo or do a photo.
English is funny.
Very funny.
Okay, let's do a mini role play.
I love role plays.
I'll start. Ready?
Ready?
Hey, Anna, what are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
Oh no, I didn't do mine.
You always make this mistake, Tom.
I know. I'll make a plan to study tonight.
Good idea. And don't forget to take a break.
Yes, I'll take a short break every hour.
That was actually very good.
Thank you.
Now let's make it a little more real.
Okay.
Tell me about your morning using make, do, and take.
Oh, wow, okay.
Go slowly.
In the morning, I make my bed.
Good start.
Then I take a shower.
Perfect.
After that, I make breakfast.
Nice.
Then I do some exercise.
Excellent.
And finally, I take a bus to work.
Wow, Tom, that was really good.
Wait, really?
Yes, no mistakes.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Okay, your turn.
All right. I wake up and make coffee.
Very important.
Then I do some yoga.
Fancy.
I take a shower and then I make a to-do list.
Oh, make a list,
Yes,
not do a list.
exactly.
I feel like I'm starting to understand,
That's great.
but I still feel a little confused.
That's normal.
Can we go deeper?
Of course.
Give me more common phrases.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready.
Make friends.
Oh, that's a good one.
Make a call.
Wait, not do a call?
No, we say make a call.
Interesting.
Do your best.
That sounds nice.
Do business.
Hmm,
Make a mistake.
my favorite.
Yes, you make a lot of those.
Hey,
Just kidding.
not really.
Okay, let's practice speaking.
All right.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
I make my bed every day.
I make my bed every day.
I do my homework in the evening.
I do my homework in the evening.
I take a break when I feel tired.
I take a break when I feel tired.
Very good.
This repetition really helps.
Yes, speaking is very important.
Can we do a short story?
Yes, let's create one together.
Okay.
I'll start. Yesterday, I made a plan.
You made a plan. That sounds serious.
Yes, I wanted to be productive.
So, what did you do?
First, I did my work.
Good.
Then, I made lunch.
What did you make?
I made pasta.
Nice choice.
After that, I took a break.
A long break.
A very long break.
That sounds like me.
Then, I did some exercise.
Wow, you had a perfect day.
Yes, but then I made one mistake.
What happened?
I ate too much chocolate.
That's not a mistake. That's happiness.
Tom,
Okay. Maybe a small mistake.
that was fun.
Yeah, I actually enjoyed that.
And you learned at the same time.
That's the best kind of learning.
Exactly.
I feel more confident now.
Good. But we're not done yet.
Oh, there's more?
Yes, much more.
All right, Anna, I'm ready for the next level.
I like that confidence, Tom.
I'm trying not to make mistakes this time.
Don't worry, you can still make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Good, because I definitely will.
Okay, now let's go deeper into real-life situations.
Yes, this is what I need.
Let's imagine you're at work.
Oh no, work English.
Don't worry, it's useful.
All right, I'm listening.
At work, we often say things like make a report.
Not do a report?
No, make a report because you create it.
Got it.
But we say do work.
Okay, action versus creation again.
Exactly.
What about meetings?
Good question. We say have a meeting, but also make a decision in a meeting.
Oh, so inside the meeting, we make things.
Yes, like decisions, plans, suggestions.
This is starting to click.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Let's go.
Hey, Tom, did you make the report?
Not yet. I'm still doing some work.
Please make it before the meeting.
Okay, I'll make it quickly.
And don't forget to take notes during the meeting.
Oh, take notes.
Yes, very important phrase.
Not make notes.
Actually, both are possible, but take notes is more common.
Interesting.
Now let's move to daily life.
My favorite topic.
When you go shopping, you might say make a list.
Yes, I always forget things if I don't.
Same here.
What about take a bag?
Yes, you can say take a bag with you.
And do shopping?
We usually say do the shopping or go shopping.
English is very specific.
It is.
Let's do another mini conversation.
Okay.
You start.
Anna, I need to go shopping.
Did you make a list?
No, I didn't.
You always make that mistake.
I know. I'll make a list now.
Good. And don't forget to take a bag.
Yes, last time I didn't take one.
And then you had to buy a new one.
Yes, I made a bad decision.
That was perfect.
I'm improving.
You really are.
Okay, what about travel?
Great topic.
I love travel English.
When you travel, you take a flight.
Not make a flight.
Definitely not.
That would be amazing, though.
Yes, if you're a pilot.
True. You also take a taxi.
Easy?
And make a reservation.
Oh, that's important.
Very important.
Let's act it out.
Okay.
Hi, Anna. I want to travel.
Nice. Did you make a reservation?
Not yet. I need to make one.
How will you go?
I'll take a flight.
Good. And when you arrive?
I'll take a taxi to the hotel.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
Learning should be fun.
I agree.
Now let's talk about some expressions.
Oh, this is the tricky part.
A little, but very useful.
I'm ready.
Make sense.
Oh, I hear this a lot.
Yes. For example, this lesson makes sense.
So it means I understand it.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
Nice.
See what I did there?
Very smooth.
Thank you.
Another one. Do your best.
That's motivational.
Yes. For example, just do your best.
I like that.
Take your time.
Oh, I use that a lot.
Yes, it means don't hurry.
Very useful.
Let's practice these.
Okay.
Repeat. This makes sense.
This makes sense.
I will do my best.
I will do my best.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Perfect.
I feel like I'm really improving now,
You are.
but I still want more practice.
Good attitude.
Can we do a longer conversation?
Yes, let's do a real-life scenario.
Okay,
I'll start.
go ahead.
Tom, tomorrow is your big presentation.
Oh no, I need to make a good impression.
Yes, so what will you do?
First, I'll make a plan.
Good.
Then I'll do my research.
Excellent.
I'll make some slides.
Nice.
And I'll take notes to remember everything.
Perfect.
Before the presentation, I'll take a deep breath.
That's a good idea.
And I'll do my best.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks, Anna. That really helps.
That was amazing, Tom.
Really?
Yes, that sounded very natural.
I'm proud again.
You should be.
Okay, let's challenge the viewers.
Good idea.
Guys, now it's your turn.
Yes, try to make your own sentences.
Use make, do, and take.
For example, talk about your daily routine
Or your work.
or your weekend.
And say your sentences out loud.
Speaking is very important.
Don't just watch, speak with us.
Exactly.
Okay, Anna, I think we can do a quick quiz.
Let's do it.
I'll ask you this time.
Oh, okay.
Blank a photo.
Take a photo.
Correct.
Easy.
Blank your homework.
Do your homework.
Yes.
Of course.
Blank a mistake.
Make a mistake.
Perfect.
My turn.
Okay,
Blank a break.
take a break.
Good.
I like breaks.
I know.
Too much.
Blank your best.
Do your best.
Correct.
Last one.
Blank a decision.
Make a decision.
Perfect.
That felt good.
Yes, you're doing really well.
Thank you, Anna.
Okay, let's quickly review everything.
Yes, summary time.
We use make when we create something.
Like make a cake, make a plan, make a mistake.
Exactly.
We use do for actions and activities.
Like do homework, do work, do your best.
And we use take for receiving or using something.
Like take a break, take a photo, take a taxi.
That actually makes sense now.
I'm glad.
I don't feel confused anymore.
That's the goal.
Before we finish, I have a question for everyone.
Yes, let's hear it.
Blank one sentence you can make using make, do, or take.
Write it in the comments.
Yes, we read your comments.
And we love seeing your progress.
Also, tell us which one is most difficult for you.
Make, do, or take.
We'll help you.
Always.
All right, Anna, I think it's time to go.
Yes, but before that,
Don't forget to subscribe
and like this video if it helped you.
and share it with a friend.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep making progress.
Keep doing your best.
And don't forget to take breaks.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.